Welcome to this video guys. Let's see how we can turn on developer mode or developer options on our Android phone. First, open your settings and now we need to find out the build number of our device. It can be in different settings in different phones. So you can search for build number and go to your about phone and then scroll down and you will see your build number. Now you need to click on build numbers very fast 7 times. Just click on it 7 times and then due to security concerns, this message is not shown. But it will say that you are now a developer and you can turn on USB debugging as well. Let's see how we can do that. You can go back to your settings and again this can be hidden inside different menus, so the easiest way to do this is just searching for it. So yeah, I'll search for developer options or developer mode and you can just type developer and you will see this developer options. Click on it and as you can see, developer options is enabled now. Scroll down and you'll see various developer settings like OEM unlocking and automatic system updates, USB debugging and so on. So if you're a developer, you will want to enable USB debugging so that you can debug your apps directly to your phone. And there are a bunch of other options. This is how you can enable USB debugging or developer modes in your Android device. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.